Hi, today we are making color changing slime. And first I'm going to add my bottle of changing color gluing. All of it. Don't all of it. Whoa, that looks so like blobby and weird. And it sounds disgusting. Oh, it's like whoa. Oh yeah. Oh. 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 Go. There's no more. Okay. Okay. Pour that in. Wow. That looks weird. And then we added our corn syrup. Syrup starch. And then we're going to mix it. Ooh, that looks so weird. It looks like John Cena. Blum. I just need to at a time. Now we're going to add our hot water with soap in it. And add. I don't want to drink it. No, I'm not saying to drink it. You do it. Hey, hey. Smiley kids. Goo goo gaga. Let's dump it. You could do that if you want it really bad. Okay. And that's not sticky. Well, kinda. Wow, that's cool. I can make blue slime. I really want to eat it so bad, but I know it's glue. Still a little sticky. Yeah, sticky. Let's see. Maybe one roll, like a half a roll. One drip right there. Hey, you got me. I must have fell asleep. Sticky. Wow, that sounds weird. Touchy. Touch it. Touchy, 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 touchy. Oh, touchy. And now when we go in the sunlight, it turns red. Whoa, that is
Mine's
so
purple.
cool. Whoa. That's the coolest thing ever. Hey. Ooh. Yeah. I love it. So I'm going to try to get all red. Wow.